Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, y'all, I am just showcasing a wig that my model brought me. She wanted me to rejuvenate it for her, so that's what I'm doing. I am re-trimming it. The lace is a little bit longer than the tracks, as you can see. So we're gonna even this out, put a little bit of layers, not much, and I'll be back in the middle of the video. Guys, remember to hit the like on this video if you like it. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-to tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I love on you. There's a lot that I do that I don't put on the channel because I feel like you guys might not be interested in it, but I'm like, you know what, why not just show everything? Who knows, it might be some handler out there that want to just learn. You never know what you can pick up from a video, is what I'm saying. So just pick up anything you can from this video, add it to your own technique, and see if it works out for you. But it's just a visual, watch me work, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Do not forget to leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Guys, I have some unboxings coming up for you guys and mini reviews. So stay tuned for the follow-up videos after this, because one of my goals is to push you guys towards the best hair on the market. The best hair on the market you can find for an affordable price. Guys, I have the tea, so stay tuned for the next video. And also, guys, if there's anything specific that you want me to cover on here, that you want me to talk about, if you guys would like a short Q&A with me to get to know me a little bit better, so we can get more familiar, I would really love it. We can do a Q&A. We can do anything you guys are interested in. Just leave it in the comment section below and we'll make it happen. So now that we got this hair all cut nice and wispy with long layers, I'm about to flat iron her, and she's just gonna be waiting around to go home to her mama. So of course I'm going to style it for my model. Most likely she'll probably want some roller set type curls. So I'm just going to flat iron it right now. Nothing too much, guys. Throw a couple of curls in the front, and like I said, she'll just be with me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to leave a like on this video, and I love you guys.